Hey, welcome back to Meditation with Rene. I am Rene. I would like to thank you for joining me for today's meditation session titled Meditation for Stress. As always, please find your preferred comfortable seated position, either on the floor with your legs crossed, as I am, or in a chair with back support. Your hands, you can fold them in your laps or on your knees, whichever you prefer. If you're ready, go ahead now and close your eyes. Starting with 3 deep breaths in. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. The last one. Deep breath in and out. We're going to do a quick body scan, starting with our head, feeling any sensations that we might feel around our forehead, head, neck area, maybe in your jaw. Moving down to your shoulders. Notice any tension or the location of the stress that you may feel. Some people feel stress in their neck, their lower back. Moving on to our chest, our upper back, our lower back, moving on to our stomach, notice any sensations that you may feel in your biceps, your triceps, moving down to your forearms, your palms, your fingers, going back to your waist. Notice any tension or stress that you may feel. Moving on to your hips and your buttocks, your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, to your insteps, to your toes, it's important to understand that stress is temporary. Not trying to control your breathing, Or just let your breath be natural. If you are ready and your eyes are closed, go ahead and open them. Go ahead and wiggle your toes, your fingers. Great job today. And as always, please be kind to yourself, others, and all living things. See you tomorrow.